Hello my friends, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm gonna show you how to crochet this pretty and simple baby blanket pattern. It's made by 4 rows, but it's not difficult at all. This pattern is so easy and suitable for many projects. I made that with this yarn, Alize shawl, and 1.75 millimeters hook. If you're ready, let's get started. First, make a slip knot and then start chaining. The number of chains should be a multiple of 6. I made 24 chains and now start row 1. Skip 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 chains as 1 double crochet and chain to a space, and then make 1 double crochet into 6th chain. Now I have 1 double crochet, 2 chain and 1 double crochet into this chain. Then make 2 chains and skip next 2 chains of foundation chain and make 1 double crochet into the next. Make 2 chain and skip 1 and 2 and go to next chain and make 1 double crochet, 2 chain and another double crochet into same chain. 2 chain, skip 1 and 2 and make 1 double crochet into the next. Actually, this sequence should be repeated. Make 2 chains, skip 2 chain of foundation chains and then make 1 double, 2 chain and 1 double into next. Again, make 2 chains, skip next 2 chain and make 1 double into the next. I repeat that one more time. 2 chain, skip 1 and 2 and go to the next and make 1 double, 2 chain and 1 double into same chain. Chain 2, skip 1 and 2 and go to the next and make 1 double. I'm at the end and make 2 chain and skip next 2 chain and make 1 double into last chain. Two chain and another double crochet into same chain. Now row 1 is finished and I want to start row 2. First make 5 chains and turn the work. Yarn over, insert the hook into this chain to space between these 2 doubles and make 1 double crochet. Now yarn over and insert the hook into same chain space before the double crochet just made, and yarn over, pull up. You can turn the work and put this space to make stitches easier. And again, yarn over, insert the hook into same space and pull up a loop. We have to repeat this work 4 more times. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now yarn over and pull through first 2 loops. Then yarn over, pull through next 3 loops on the hook. Again, yarn over, pull through next 3. Yarn over, pull through next 3. Yarn over, pull through next 3. And yarn over, pull through next 3. Again, turn the work to right side and now I have 2 loops on the hook. Hold them in on the hook and yarn over, and now insert the hook into same space after double crochet here and repeat this work. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, such as this part. And now yarn over, pull through first 2, then yarn over, pull through next 3 and repeat this part 4 more times. Yarn over, pull through next 3, yarn over, pull through next 3, yarn over, pull through next 3 and for last time, yarn over, pull through last 3. Now I have 3 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through all of them and make a chain to secure that. This is the first pattern, and then make 2 chain and go to this double crochet and make 1 double crochet into that. Again, make 2 chain and go to this chain to space and make 1 double crochet into that, and repeat this pattern. Yarn over, insert the hook into this chain to space before double crochet just made. Here, turn the work to make the pattern easy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And yarn over, pull through first 2, pull through next 3, again, yarn over, pull through next 3, pull through 3, pull through 3, and pull through 3 for last time. Now I have 2 loops on the hook, turn the work to right side and repeat that work into same chain to space after double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 3, and repeat that 4 more times. Pull through 3, pull through 3, pull through 3. Now I have 3 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through all of them. And now this is the second pattern. Make 2 chain and go to next double crochet and make 1 double crochet into that. And again, make 2 chain and go to next chain to space and repeat that work into that. First make 1 double crochet and then make next pattern before and after this double crochet into this chain to space and repeat this work until the end of the row. Now I'm at the end of this row and I made last pattern, and after that I want to change the yarn, so make a slip knot with second yarn and grab the yarn through this loop on the hook and make a chain. Pull 2 yarns and now 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 chain and turn the work. Then go to this double crochet and make 1 double crochet, 2 chain, and again 1 double crochet into same double crochet. Make 2 chain and then go to next pattern. Here insert the hook here under these 2 loops and these 2 loops under that and make 1 double crochet. One more time, 2 chain, make 1 double, 2 chain, and another double into same double crochet, 2 chain, and make 1 double here at top of next pattern here, and repeat this work. 2 chain, 1 double, again 2 chain and 1 double into same double crochet, and make 2 chain and last double crochet into this space at top of last pattern, and row 3 is finished. Again make 5 chain and turn the work. And now go to next chain to space between these 2 doubles, make 1 double crochet and repeat this pattern here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 3, and repeat that work 4 more times. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Hold last 2 loops on the hook and turn the work and yarn over, go to same chain 2 space after double crochet and repeat that work. 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Pull through 2, yarn over, pull through next 3 and repeat 4 more times. Pull through next 3, pull through next 3, pull through next 3 and pull through next 3. Now I have 3 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through all of them and make a chain. Make 2 chain and go to next double crochet and make 1 double crochet into that. Again 2 chain, go to chain 2 space between these 2 double crochet and make 1 double crochet and repeat this pattern before and after that double crochet into chain 2 space and make next pattern and repeat this work until the end of the row. I repeated that pattern, and now after last pattern make 2 chain and make 1 double crochet into 3rd chain of these 5 chains at the beginning of previous row. 1, 2 and 3. But don't complete that because I want to change the yarn again and grab the first yarn and complete this double crochet and make a chain. In row 2 we have 4 patterns, but in row 4 we have 3 patterns. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 chain and turn the work and make 1 double crochet into same stitch, the first stitch here. Now I have 1 double, 2 chain and 1 double at the beginning of row 5. Then make 1 and 2 chain and go into this space at top of next pattern here and make 1 double. Chain 2, go to next double crochet and make 1 double crochet, 2 chain and another double crochet into same chain, same stitch. Again 2 chain and make 1 double crochet at top of next pattern here, 2 chain and make 1 double here, 2 chain and another double crochet into same stitch, and continue this work. You have to repeat this sequence until the end. I'm at the end now. Make 2 chain and make 1 double crochet at top of last pattern here, 2 chain, and now make 1 double crochet into 3rd chain of these beginning chains, 1, 2 and 3 here, with 2 chains and again 1 double crochet into same chain, and row 5 is finished. We have 1 double, 2 chain and 1 double at the beginning and at the end. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 and turn the work and repeat row 2. And after that these 4 rows, row 2 until row 5, should be repeated several times, and we have to change the yarn every 2 rows and repeat this work until the height of the pattern reach the desired size. I hope this video will be useful for you. If you like that, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like the video and leave a comment. Have a nice day.